Hi, my name is Ekanem Orok and welcome to the Fundamentals of Digital Product Making. This course is divided into 18 sections. In section 1, you'll learn the basics of digital product making. In section 2, you'll learn about the Affinity Designer interface. In section 3, you'll learn how to customize tools for product making in Affinity Designer. In section 4, you'll learn about Affinity Designer dashboard. In section 5, you'll learn how to use clients in Affinity Designer. In section 6, you'll learn how to work with layers. In section 7, you'll learn how to work with objects. In section 8, you'll learn how to print patterns. In section 9, you'll learn the basics of pattern making. In section 10, you'll learn about blocks and patterns. In section 11, you'll learn about pattern anatomy. In section 12, you'll learn about pattern symbols. In section 13, you'll learn about body measurements. In section 14, you'll learn how to interpret garment technical drawing for pattern making. In section 15, you'll learn the steps for drafting basic pattern blocks. In section 16, you'll learn about different pattern instructions. In section 17, you'll learn how to create different basic pattern blocks digitally. In section 18, you'll learn how to create digital patterns for drip dress, wedding gown, jacket and pants, couture dress, jumpsuit, jean, shirt, and waistcoat. Whether you're a complete beginner or you simply want to upgrade your fashion design knowledge, the aim of this course is to guide you on the professional techniques in digital pattern making. So, see you in class!